In a surprising twist of kitchen chemistry, a curious child named Mia experimented with baking soda and vinegar, combining these pantry staples in a clear glass. She watched as colorful food dyes danced and formed a vibrant rainbow eruption. The science at play involved an acid-base reaction, producing carbon dioxide bubbles that carried the colors upward. Each color created a mesmerizing effect, teaching Mia about density and chemical reactions in a most delightful way. With each layer, Mia's excitement grew, making her realize that science could be not only educational but also a spectacular adventure in her own kitchen.